Hi, guys. I'm Riley, in case you didn't know already. I've been playing piano for about 20 years now, which is wild, but I've been singing for even longer than that. I've been with Heather, I think, going on like 4 years now, something like that. I've lost track. But I love when I get to play and sing. It's always so special, especially with all these amazing students we have. So today I'm going to be singing a song called Sinners. It's by Aquilina. She's an independent artist from the UK, and I believe she originally wrote it. She identifies as bisexual, but this song is very open. It's about just kind of forbidden relationships in general, like something, it could be interracial, it could be interclass, like all of these different types of relationships fit into this category. But it's essentially just going against the grain, what people say you should do versus what you feel inside. And then I'm also going to be joined on this by our other musicians that we've got here. We did just kind of throw them on the song like today. So it's a testament to the musician skills and their improv skills that we can make such beautiful music together. And by the way, it's been lovely making music with you guys. So I hope you enjoy Sinners. Our lives are stories waiting to be told. In search of silver linings, we discovered gold, and judgment taught us that our hearts were wrong. But they're the ones that we'll look down upon. The rules say our emotions don't comply, but we'll defy the rules until we die. So let's be sinners to be saints, and let's be winners by mistake. The world may disapprove, but my world is only you. And if we're sinners, then it feels like heaven to me. You showed me feelings I've never felt before. We're making enemies, knocking on the devil's door. And how can you expect me not to eat when the forbidden fruit tastes so sweet? So let's be sinners to be saints, and let's be winners by mistake. The world may disapprove, but my world is only you. And if we're sinners, then it feels like heaven to me. Oh, our hearts are too ruthless to break. Let's start fires for heaven's sake. Our hearts are too ruthless to break. Let's start fires for heaven's sake. Our hearts are too ruthless to break. Let's start fires for heaven's sake. Our hearts are too ruthless to break. So let's be sinners to be saved, by mistake. The world may disapprove, but my world is only you. And if we're sinners, then it feels like heaven to me. And if we're sinners, then it feels like heaven to me. Thank you, guys.